In this video, I'm going to show you how to bleed the brakes on your Fiat 500. The master cylinder is located right here. Using a rag, you're going to clean and inspect the cap. Make sure you have a drain pan within reach. And we're going to use a siphon to take out the old brake fluid. You're going to do this till you can get it all out, as much as you can anyways. After you're done siphoning it out, you're going to fill it up with clean brake fluid. Use your funnel and fill it up to the max. In this procedure, you're going to start with your left rear, then go to your right front, then go to the right rear, and then go to your left front. In between, so after you do your right front, you're going to stop, and then you're going to check your master cylinder and top it off. And then you're going to continue to your right rear. After your brake bleed procedure is done, you're going to top off your fluids. We're going to start at the left rear. Remove your bleeder screw cap. You're going to need a 10mm wrench. You're going to need a drip pan below you or a fluid catcher like I have. You're going to need a friend in the car to pump the brakes. Pump it up, please. He's holding. I'm going to put this on and I'm going to open up that bleeder. It's to the floor. We're going to close the bleeder. Ask him to pump it up again. He's holding. As the fluid comes out, we're going to look for air bubbles. It's to the floor. Pump it up again, please. He's holding. It's to the floor. We're going to do one more because I saw another air bubble. Pump it up, please. He's holding. Right to the floor. That feels good. I'm going to tighten that up. I'm going to clean off the area with some brake parts cleaner. And put our cap back on. Next, we're going to go to the right front. Now we're in the right front wheel well. We're going to bleed the brake here. Take your cap off. Again, you're going to use a 10mm. You're going to have somebody in the front bleeding the brakes for you. Get your drip pan or a fluid catcher. And let's begin. Pump it up. He's holding. All right, tighten up your bleeder screw. Clean it off. Put your cap back on. Now that you've bled your left rear and your right front, you're going to go and check your master cylinder and top it off to max before continuing to your right rear and your left front. To do the brake bleed for the right rear and the left front, it's the same as what you did with the left rear and the right front. After you've bled all four wheels, we're going to go back to the master cylinder and we're going to top it off. All right, that's good. Take your funnel out. Now that you've cleaned your area, put your cap back on. If you did drip any, you can use your brake parts cleaner. Then you can put your wheels back on and torque them to 63 foot-pounds. Now you can get in your vehicle, check your brake pedal, make sure it's not squishy. You want that pedal to be right at the top, nice and firm. If not, you're going to have to go do the brake bleed procedure all over again.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.